Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can easily deposit and withdraw from your Bybit account. That is number one. I also show you guys how can you secure your account on your Bybit account. Alright, on this particular video, you guys just make sure to watch this video to the end and try to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you want to register with my link down below on Bybit, the link is down below this video. Try to use that link and you can even see the referral code on the screen. Make sure you use that referral code, then you are good to go. All right, so now the first thing we need to do is to just make sure to show you guys how can you withdraw, right? Or before you go to that place, make sure you secure your account first. Try to register and verify your account and try to secure your account. So if you want to secure your account, that's the first step you need to do, so that nobody can easily log into your account if you are not maybe with your phone or whatever. So just come to this particular icon. You can see that particular area. So when you click on that particular area, make sure you guys just try to click come down. All right, so you're gonna click on this security. All right, click on that security area. So when you click on that security area, you can see my account is fully hid. You can see everything here is correct. All right, so you can see everything must be like this. So make sure you guys should just make sure to try to put in your, make sure your Google Authenticator is very turned on. Try to download it on Play Store. Let me show you on Play Store. So when you come to your Play Store, try to, can you see, download it on your Play Store and follow the step, then you install it using your phone. Let's go back to the video. So after that, make sure you enable your phone number. Make sure you guys just make sure to put security on your account. So let's go back. How can you withdraw your funds right now using your Bybit? So if you want to withdraw your funds from Bybit, come to this particular asset. All right, so when you come to asset like this, make sure you guys just make sure you click on the withdraw. All right, so on this type of, we have two type of wallets. We have funding, we have unify. So if you want to withdraw your money must be on your what, unify wallet, this unify wallet. So, and if your account is not on unify, try to switch your account to unify trading account. It's very simple and easy. So if you want to withdraw, just come to this all right, if you want to withdraw, click on withdraw. All right, so that's withdraw. Then how much do you want to withdraw? What coin do you want to withdraw? You search it in. All right, click on search bar USDT. All right, so then if you want to withdraw, let's say you want to withdraw from your Binance account to this particular, okay, sorry, you want to withdraw from your Bybit to your Binance. So let me just log into my Binance account right now. So right now, this is my Binance account. You can just come to asset, then you're gonna click on this particular deposit. All right, when you click on deposit, try to click on USDT. All right, then we want to use TRC, this one, the first one. The network is very important. Then we have to just copy the wallet address here, then you click on copy, then you go back to your Bybit. On your Bybit account, you have to just paste the wallet address here. All right, then you need to change the network to TRC20. You can see everything is 100%. The network is what, TRC20. How much do you want to withdraw? I want to withdraw, let's say $50. So until they will charge me 1.3. all right, this is the charge is 1.3%. then you now say 50 points, you can say 51.3. all right, so that is the amount they will charge me. All right, that's, I will now click on this withdraw. All right, okay, right now I will now click on this withdraw button right now. Then I will now put the 2FA we set up. You now put the 2FA, click on confirm, you now make sure to click on this particular get code, then you put your Google Authenticator. You go to your email address and copy the code, then you paste the Google Authenticator here, you paste it here. That is how you can withdraw. Right now, let me show you how you can make a deposit to your Bybit account right now on this video. So if you want to make a deposit again, just come to this asset. When you come to asset, all right, just come to this deposit. All right, when you come to deposit, so you can deposit and then come to this particular crypto and deposit crypto. You can see my arrow. All right, my arrow. Then let's say you want to deposit USDT. It's the same process with BTC, Ethereum, whatever coin. Click on it, then you need to click on this TRC. You want to can you see this TRC? That is the one you want to use. Then you have to just copy it. All right, copy this one. All right, let's say I want to withdraw from my Binance account to this particular account. I'll now copy it. I'll now go to my Binance. So this is my Binance account. Let me just show something real quick. Then I'll now click on this withdraw from my Binance. All right, just make sure to like and share this video, guys. I'll try to click on here. I want to do USDT. I'll now click on this send via network. You can see my arrow. Then I'll now paste the wallet address here. You can see it there. Wallet address. I will now choose the network is TRC 20. I will now say I want to withdraw $50. So by now we charge me $1. Okay, I will now put $51 because of charges. All right, then I will now click on this withdraw button. Simple and easy. It's very simple and easy. Then I will now click on this confirm button right now. I will now make sure to put my 2FA code. That's the simple thing on how you can deposit and withdraw from your Bybit to Binance or whatever exchange you are using. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to all your friends on how you can secure your account and how you can deposit and activate your Bybit account and start making money in crypto. See you guys in my next comment video.